Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. And in this video, I would like to show you the way how you can invert the color display of your iPhone. So this is what you see right now on the screen is the normal color. So now let's just try to invert the color. How to do that? Just open your settings. The next thing you need to do is just go scroll all the way down until you find the accessibility. Tap on the accessibility. The next thing you need to do is just go click the display and text size. The next, you just have to go scroll all the way down, and that could be a smart invert or classic invert. So here I mostly use this classic invert. Just take a look what we will get later on. Tap on it, and now you got it. So you will got the classic invert. This is what we gonna see for the whole appearance on our iPhone. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and if you still have some questions, just drop into the comment sections below, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you will not gonna miss the upcoming video. That's for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other tutorial.